it's Lily and Kanini's World. Today we're unboxing some stuff from Walmart. And these stuff are the stuff what we never had before. I don't know which one we never had before. We have this before. Now we want to unbox them with our cousin. Gigi, open. Let's open this first, guys. Okay. It's so cool. Guys, it's over here. Oh, yeah. You have to wait. Oh, don't follow me. There's a lot, Lily. I see something. Let's open them to see what them are. These were like made like in real life. These ones are like for toys. These ones like the little toy for like the little doll. And there's one in real life. Help me open that. Help me open that. Help me. Help. And look at the horns. Thank you. I think there's something in the horn. No. Because the real life ones have stuff in their horn. Are these? Oh, I don't know what goes up in it. But look it. Come on, we open it. Just turn it up. Oh, no. Here. Wow! So, let me show you. Here's two of them what we did unbox. And here's Gigi's. We got three open. Look at my tank. It's a clip. We're keeping the hearts on. You don't have to keep the hearts on. No, not look it. And I got this. Look it. Butterfly. Okay. So look. We got like a ring for something, but I don't know where it goes to. And it's attached to this. So we got this. We got this. We got all these stuff. So you might, and a wing. So all of them have the same stuff. Yeah, so I see. And one more to open, but I'm going to unzip it. Open it together. It's a pink, your favorite color. Now you can use these for storage. No, you can use these for storage for your own unicorn, rainbow, I don't know. Rainbow, unicorn, anything you want to call it. Now you can use it for your own miniature dolls. Do you want to do it too? So me and my sister we're opening this one together, and the other one's for Gigi. It's brand new, so it might be hard to do something with it. Do you need help opening this? And look, lipstick inside. Oh, so both of them are the same. So once we got out of Walmart, I did not even realize that. There's like so many to get. Oh no, I'm going to whip it. It's okay, we have another one. Okay. We got it. You see all these ones like on the back. The next toys are these ones. Yeah. This one we need to use water, so wait here. Now we're going to open this. There's not like much. Princess dress. Yeah, princess dress. Yeah, it's princess dress. So you can open whatever you want. Yeah. School supplies. I will show you in a second when I got all these taped off. So first off, we're showing you the paintbrush. Look at the paintbrushes. Look at the paintbrushes. Look at the crayon. And this book is white. And look at the glitter. I love glitter since we didn't have it. Look at these glue. Look at it. We can pay with it. Pay. Pretend. And look at it. Now let's store everything back. Yeah. Go to school with her miniature lunchbox or something. That's like something. This backpack. Go to school. So next is the LOL surprise. No, we're going to do these. So we're going to do these like the last ones with these ones at the same time. So American Girl. Look at these pajamas. Look at these this way, love. Look at. Okay, you see this? Okay, we brought this. We brought all these stuff. These shoes. Yeah. We brought these shoes just in case. We got these, but so I did not realize them had. So we're going to this. So I think we should open them now, and then we can like buy American Girl doll like for your birthday. And it's almost my sister's birthday. I love birthdays. I don't want to have. I'm happy I'm not wearing them with these things. We got this. We're not going to put this stuff on the floor because we do need some space. Little girl, Brandy. Okay, Brandy's going to sit here, Brandy. Ah, go! Brandy, you need a way. No! Her shoes. But if it doesn't fit, you can always make. You just want to make no more just. Here's a skirt and a leotard. You see, it's like this. It looks like a leotard. We're going to try on these little pajamas. Cause look, it's already night. How come you wear like morning clothes if it's like night? Yeah. It doesn't matter if it doesn't fit. You just wanted to make sure like fits on a girl. Yeah. Look it. You can just leave it like this. Wow. Or you can put we're putting on these shoes. Yeah! So we're going to open 2 of these LOL surprises. And then we're going to open, and then we're going to use water. But sometimes the LOL also need water. But we're not going to use it today. Then second layer. Oh, both of us make house clear stuff. So we're on the second layer. Oh no. Curl up in your hair, and then another LOL. Get the. Oh, guys! And now I know what I'm getting her. Cause look at the eye patch. I'm getting this one. You see, guys? I'm getting her. All them color changes. I got her shoes. Bye, guys. It was a lovely day. Opening all of them. Now we're going to have fun opening the other rest.